What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So meron tayong ire-react ngayon. This I promise you. So andito si Ma'am Katrina Velarde. So to be very honest, she's the main reason kung bakit ko to panonoorin. Okay, Miss Katrina Velarde. And I also miss the Budakel, si Bugoy, Daryl, and Michael. So ngayon parang ganito yung vibe ngayon eh. So ang featured niya dito or yung kakolab ni Miss Katrina Velarde ay si Sam Mangubat. I love Sam, Kimo Gumatay, JM Yusores, and Raven O'Malley. So yeah, tingnan natin kung paano nila ito laruin, yung This I Promise You. And I'm hoping that there will be a vocal, surprise for us. Kasi nga, ito, mga powerhouse din to sa vocals eh. Especially itong si Miss Katrina Velarde. Si Ma'am Kat, always the underrated queen of Philippine divas. Ito talaga, si Ma'am Katrina Velarde. Anyway, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. And you can follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay? So, let's go. Ooh, Raven yung una. Nice harmony. Sarap din ng adib na run. When the vision surround you, bring tears to your eyes, and all that surrounds you. Ooh, lovely falsetto. A secrets and ooh, I love the progression. Nice control, Raven. Ooh, linis. Yes, sir. Nice one, JM. Woo, let's go, Momshi. Love it. Nice. Galing. Nice. Woo. Mala Bruno Mars talaga. Grabe yung range si Kimo. Nice ad-lib. Galing ng arrangement, ah. Woo. Mariah, ikaw ba yan? Woo! Galing. That was awesome. That was awesome. Ang galing, ang galing, ang galing. I love because they were able to sustain the energy and they started very soft and then nag-sustain sila from mid to towards the ending before Miss Katrina's last few lines. No, they were able to sustain that energy and naipakita nila. Although nabitin ako ng konti sa mga parts ni Sam, it's because parang mas more on the ad-lib part lang siya and the harmonization. No, so yung parts lang medyo nabitin ako. It was not, I don't know, but overall naman ang ganda, no? Ang ganda naman, pero siguro nabitin ako sa mga solo parts nila. It's because kilala ko sila isa-isa. So I wanted to hear more from them, each of them. But you know, kailangan nating parang kailangan nilang buuin lang yung kanta or arrange yung kanta in a span of like 4 minutes, ganon, or 5 minutes. Kasi nga, it's a full song, no? Tapos hindi naman siya, and it's a group of people singing. So, yun, parang nabitin lang ako. But regardless, it was an awesome performance. The arrangement, ang galing ng arrangement, no? May mga chord progression or yung mga notes na mga passing chords na ginawa na alter yung some parts ng kanta. I love that. And yeah, malinis, sobrang ganda. And Chemo, man, talagang mataas talagang range ni Chemo, no? Mataas talagang range ni Chemo. Yun nga lang, minsan nga yung the way siya mag-belt or the way niya, yung technique niya sa pagbe-belt, medyo kinakabahan ako pag pinapakinggan ko siya kasi parang, 'di ba, any moment pipiyok siya, but he can do it anyways. And JM, sobrang linis. Raven, very si Raven, no? Very tawag dito yung boses ni Raven. Angelic din yung low to mid tones ni Raven. And Sam, always Sam, very versatile, flexible ng boses. And Miss Katrina, the one and only, the queen, the underrated queen of the divas of the Philippines. Okay? Ganun yung ko sa kanya eh. The underrated queen. Anyway, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.